Hi, it's Timo. In the last video, I used ChatGPT to help Laura enhance her skills to become a talent acquisition manager. In this video, the topic is resume optimization. Next, let's use AI to help Laura update her resume to emphasize her achievements and skills in recruitment, strategies, HR processes, and talent management. First, I'll give AI a role. Here goes. Then let's continue. Thanks. Here's my resume. Don't do anything, just read it through. And then I'll copy paste Laura's resume. And this obviously an AI generated resume for Laura, not the real thing, but just for the demonstration purposes. And please make sure not to include anything, not to include any personal details, and send it to AI. Okay, enter. Okay, it started to list some strengths of Laura's resume, and then it automatically adds further enhancement ideas. Okay, so let's feed it our last prompt for this video. Great as learned, I'm talent acquisition specialist. How can I edit my resume to emphasize my skills and achievements in recruitment strategies, HR processes, and talent management to become a talent acquisition manager? And let's send it to AI. And it immediately starts to give editing tips. Refine your summary to directly address the key competencies of a talent acquisition manager. Then it edits the work experience for Laura, skills, highlighting how to highlight different skills, certifications, and professional development, and it even gives additional tips. Yeah, once again, great job. In the next video, we'll continue to use ChatGPT to implement Laura's job search plan. Thanks for watching.